Hi, my name is Bo Olesen and I'm the Chief Operating Officer here at VELA. Today I would like to introduce you to our new production facility where we produce the VELA Tango 700 chair, a medical assistive device. We currently produce approximately 400 chairs each week in this facility. All these chairs are made to order, and therefore we are focused on how digitization and automation can help us in solving this complex task and at the same time create the most value for our customers. We've worked with digitized planning and availability check to support a short lead time for our customers. Digitized picking routes to ensure process quality. Assembly areas focused on a lean flow and standard operating procedures, ensuring a high uniformity in processes and hence a high quality standard. Minimizing non-productive time by introducing transport robots and other measures for internal transport. Introducing a high level of traceability regarding finished chairs, components and operators. Digitizing the shipping area so we can ensure you that your product is now on its way as promised. Moreover, we have also been able to improve the work environment for our employees along the way. And by doing all of this, we have also created the foundation for future growth, ensuring our customers a stable and professional business partner now and in the future.